most admins are drowning in portals, policies, and PowerShell, which makes us all just have to work harder, stay at work later, and not take care of the really important things. But real pros like you don't have to work harder, they work smarter. And Nerdio Manager for Enterprise helps you manage Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, and Microsoft Intune devices from a single control center, reducing hours of work to just minutes. Which means you're saving money, increasing efficiency, and using automation to simplify your world of endpoint management with lots of security and compliance built in. Because the cloud doesn't have to be complicated. So stop working harder and take back control of your cloud by letting us help guide you on your journey. Subscribe to our channel, tell us what you want to learn about, and your journey starts right here.